See this guys, data entry job. I'm getting paid, and guys, you do not need to be a professional. Freshers can also apply. You can see this. Back office, or we can say that guys, data entry job, another. I'm getting paid, and this is also for freshers. No need of experience. If you are having zero experience in data typing, okay, you are compatible to earn money over this website. Just follow along this video guys, and I'll show you step by step how you yourself, whatever country you are belonging to, you can also contribute your skills over this website. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just doing small jobs that you can do. Guys, you can see this data entry job and accountant and work from home jobs. You can see this. Okay, so you can do whatever jobs you are compatible with, whether it is IT software, whether it is hospitality, or whether it is delivery. Guys, you can do and you can offer these jobs to others as well, and you can able to earn part-time income or full-time income as per your conditions over this website. Okay, so for that what you need to do guys is to just click on this register button. Okay, so why I before doing the registration part guys, lots and lots of people are asking me a question that sir, please give us detailed information about because we lost our jobs, okay, in this pandemic situation. So can you please offer us a site which will help us to believe that we can have a job, sir, because we lost our jobs and we are just steep into a financial crisis. Don't worry guys, I always be with you so that you cannot go into financial crisis. Okay, this is a website which will offer you a good amount of money by just doing part-time income. Okay, the ones who have lost their jobs, you do not have to worry about it. You just need to select your roles. Okay, whatever roles you are having guys, whatever roles you are having, okay, you can just post it. Okay, you can see this guys, data entry job you need to put in, city name that you need to put in, okay, whatever city you are belong to, okay, you just need to put in, okay, and your mobile number, name, email ID and password. That's it guys. Okay, so just fill up these details and I'll show you what is the next step. So after filling these details guys, you can see this, you are steep into this. Okay, you can steep into this website, and you can see this guys, a verification mail is sent to your email address. Okay, you can see this, a verification mail is sent to your email address. Okay, so you just need to verify it by just sign in with the Google account. Okay, and you can see this guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of jobs that you can apply on. Okay, so I just show you one of these things, and you can update your profiles as well. Okay guys, so I just wanna show you how you can do it. Okay, you just need to enter your work experience. You can see this guys, work experience, your work experience. You just need to upload your resume. Okay, and edit your details. Okay, and that's it guys. Okay, this is what you need to do, and what you need to do right now is to just search your jobs. Okay, let us suppose guys, I just want a data entry job. Okay, and just search it. Click on the search, and depends upon your city. Okay, depend upon your city, it will give you lots and lots of jobs. You can see this, work from home based upon simple work. You can see this guys, domestic work that you can do. Okay, so this is good guys, because this is freshers job as well. Okay, even freshers can apply. Okay, you can see this 0 to 0.5 years of experience people. You can see whatever niche you are compatible with guys. You can see this, whatever niche you are compatible with, you can perform based upon your experience, based upon the salary expectation. Okay, you can perform it. Okay, and based upon guys the city that you are belonging to. Okay, so it's very important for you to understand this concept guys. You can see this, if I just show you guys, you can see this A to Z guys, A to Z. You can perform various, you can see translation jobs guys, language translator, French translator, Russian, Chinese, German, Japanese, Spanish. What you can do, guys, you might ask me a question that, sir, we don't know anything about these kind of things. Why? Because we are not a translator. Okay, we are not a translator. So what we can do right now? So just come up here, guys, in this Google Translate. Okay, just come up here in this Google Translate and you can perform your as per your niche, guys. Okay, from English you can see this. From English you can choose what it is. I guess Japanese. Okay, you can see this. Okay, if I just spoke anything, you can see allow. If you just spoke anything on in English, you can see in English, if you can spoke anything, it will automatically translate whole Japanese into whole Japanese. Okay, so you do not have to be professional in translation. You can perform it, or you can download a application for this. Okay, you just come up here and you just need to click on these dots and you can see this, guys. This is a Google Translate which will help you to translate even documents. Okay, whatever your client will give you, the documents, the piles of pages that you need to translate, you can do it on that way as well. Okay, it will do the automatically translation and you just need to copy paste the whole thing. So it's the best platform, guys, where you can contribute your skills. Okay, whatever niche you are having, whether you are a sports trainer as well, you can perform. Whether you are from any field, guys, whatever field you are compatible, okay, you can perform your as per your niche. You can see, as per your niche, you can perform and contribute your skills towards this website. Okay, because lots and lots of people are asking me a question that, sir, sorry, but we have lost our jobs, we do not have something to invest so that we can hope for better opportunities. Don't worry, guys, I hope everything would be fine. Okay, all the crisis will shall be gone soon from your life. Okay, every crisis should be gone. Okay, just follow along this these videos that I have posted along. This is a basic thing because, guys, lots and lots of hundreds of people are asking me a question that, sir, please post a video like these kind of things which will help us to retain our jobs. Okay, so especially, guys, for you, I have made these videos. I hope you like this video, guys. Just need to like and share and subscribe to my channel, guys, so that you will get notification of such kind of website. And guys, share it to each and every person, okay, who lost their jobs and who are keep on looking for new opportunities. Guys, if you are sharing these kind of things, it will eventually help you as well. Okay, in order to generate a strong connections. Okay, as of now, I am helping you guys. It's your opportunity or it's your responsibility, okay, to help others. Just share this video to each and everyone. Okay, so this is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.